How to stop sharing posts from Instagram to Facebook in just a few easy steps. First, open up the Instagram app on your device. Then, go to your profile by tapping the icon at the bottom right. Next, open your settings by clicking the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu, in the top right corner and selecting Settings. From there, scroll down and look for Account Center. This section lets you manage how Instagram and Facebook accounts link and share content. Inside the Account Center, find Sharing Across Profiles and select your Instagram account. Here, you'll see settings that control automatic sharing for posts, stories, and reels. Simply toggle off the switches for sharing your posts, stories, and reels automatically to Facebook. This will stop Instagram from automatically posting your content to both platforms. Double check that all the toggles are off and you're good to go. Now, if you do want to share something on Facebook, you can still do it manually whenever you make a post. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe.